What day is it? Monday. Let me change your boon hole. Let me change your bunny. Let me change your bunny.
No.
I'm gonna get that bunny. I'm gonna get that bunny. Dun 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 dun. Uh-oh, he's got kicky legs out. Who did a big sleep?
I didn't.
No, you didn't?
No.
Why not? Bully. You did do a good sleep. You're a really good boy.
Mama, please let me go.
Your nappy's going to leak. Come on, because there's a lot of wee-wee in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take it off and change it for a new boons. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Bonnie. Bonnie.
Mama, I can do the rest. I'll do the rest.
Okay, you do the rest. Yeah. Good morning. I look so weird. I've just put contact lenses in and done my makeup. Does Mummy look weird without her glasses? No? I feel like I look really weird. And I know, like, I've only worn glasses for like 2-3 years properly. But I feel like I look really fucking weird. You need to tell me if I look odd or not. Oh, baby. This one's got a sore throat that I've had for like a week. The other two aren't even awake yet, and it's 10 to 7. So I need everybody to wake up soon because we have to leave in just over an hour. Yeah, I'm gonna get my hair done today. I'm gonna go make a coffee. We'll see if I can adjust to not having my eyeballs on, having my eyeballs in instead. Took the contacts out. I had a fucking nightmare. I had them in for like an hour, and then my vision just doesn't feel as clear as when it is in my glasses, which makes no sense. I think the prescription's wrong. The opticians say they're not, but it's just not as clear. So I decided I want to take them out. I couldn't get them out of my eye. I couldn't get them out of my eyes. It was horrendous. I literally rang my best friend, like crying, going, help me. And she had to like video me a way of getting them out of my eyes. And I did it. So fuck contact lenses. I'm now about to go to my hair appointment. Chocolate orange for breakfast for health. Yeah. And crisp. Yeah. I'm now got my appointment's in like 25 minutes. And I'll video possibly when I'm there if they let me. I don't think she'll mind. Hi. So you know I said I was going blonde? I didn't. I did half and half. I went back dark and all the pink. Ignore the hat hair. So we've got half dark, straight down the middle, half pink. I love it. Yeah. It wasn't what we planned. It was a spur of the moment decision. But I'm very happy. I'm going to pick the kids up now. I just wanted to show you my hair. I'll talk to you in a bit.